Are you looking for a way to generate extra income? Have you considered turning your property into a profitable Airbnb listing? In this video, we'll dive into the world of Airbnb, exploring how to maximize your earnings and create a successful short-term rental business. Airbnb has transformed the hospitality industry by connecting travelers with unique accommodations. At its core, Airbnb is a platform that enables homeowners, apartment dwellers, and even those with unique spaces to rent out their property to guests for short-term stays. When you list your property on Airbnb, you're essentially becoming a host. As a host, you have control over your calendar, setting your own rates, and deciding who to welcome into your space. This flexibility is one of the primary reasons why many people choose to host on Airbnb. There are primarily three types of listings on Airbnb: an entire home/apartment. You rent out your entire property to guests, giving them exclusive access. A private room. You share your home with guests, providing them with a private room and access to shared spaces like the bathroom and kitchen. A shared room. This option involves sharing a room with the host or other guests. It's the most budget-friendly option for travelers. Airbnb offers a unique opportunity to generate additional income from your property. By effectively managing your listing and providing excellent guest experiences, you can build a successful short-term rental business. Selecting the optimal property for an Airbnb venture is paramount. It's not merely about owning a space, it's about identifying a property that aligns with your financial goals and the demands of the short-term rental market. Location is undeniably the cornerstone of a successful Airbnb. Properties situated in areas with high tourist foot traffic, business districts, or proximity to major attractions often garner more bookings and higher occupancy rates. Researching local events, conferences, and festivals can also help identify potential hotspots. The type of property significantly influences its suitability for Airbnb. While entire homes offer privacy and flexibility, apartments can be more budget-friendly for guests. Unique properties, like cabins, boats, or treehouses, can attract niche markets and command premium rates. However, consider factors such as local regulations and potential noise complaints when opting for unconventional accommodations. Amenities play a crucial role in guest satisfaction. Essential amenities like Wi-Fi, kitchen facilities, and comfortable bedding are non-negotiable. Additional amenities such as a pool, gym, or hot tub can significantly enhance your listing's appeal and command higher rates. However, remember to factor in the costs of maintaining and cleaning these amenities. Lastly, consider the property's size and layout. A spacious property with multiple bedrooms can accommodate larger groups and generate higher revenue. However, smaller properties might target solo travelers or couples. Evaluate the property's potential to meet the needs of different guest demographics. By carefully considering these factors, you can increase your chances of finding a property that is well suited for the Airbnb market. Your listing is your digital storefront, and it's crucial to make a strong first impression. High-quality images are non-negotiable. Invest in professional photography that showcases your property's best angles and features. Let the pictures tell a story. Capture the ambience, the natural light, and the overall appeal of your space. Writing a compelling description is just as important. Go beyond simply listing amenities. Paint a picture of the guest experience. Highlight unique features, nearby attractions, and the overall vibe of your property. Use keywords that potential guests might search for to improve your listing's visibility. Pricing is a delicate balance. Research similar listings in your area to determine competitive rates. Consider offering dynamic pricing, adjusting rates based on demand and seasonality. Remember, while maximizing earnings is important, overpricing can deter potential guests. Finally, the power of reviews cannot be overstated. Encourage satisfied guests to leave reviews. Positive reviews build trust and credibility, attracting more bookings. Respond to reviews, both positive and negative, in a professional and timely manner to truly optimize your Airbnb income. A strategic approach is essential. While setting competitive rates is crucial, understanding your market and target audience is equally important. Research local events, conferences, or festivals to identify peak seasons and adjust your pricing accordingly. Consider offering dynamic pricing options that fluctuate based on demand. Beyond base rates, explore additional revenue streams. Upselling amenities like premium bedding, airport transfers, or guided tours can significantly boost your earnings. Partnering with local businesses for discounts or packages can attract more guests and increase your revenue. Leverage Airbnb's features to your advantage. Utilize tools like smart pricing to automatically adjust rates based on market conditions. Explore additional income opportunities offered by Airbnb, such as experiences or photography services. Guest satisfaction is paramount for maximizing earnings. Positive reviews attract more bookings and often lead to higher occupancy rates. Consider offering welcome gifts or personalized touches to create a memorable experience. Remember, maximizing earnings is a continuous process. Regularly analyze your performance, track your income, and make adjustments as needed. Stay informed about industry trends and competitor pricing to stay ahead of the curve. Running a successful Airbnb involves more than just listing your property. Effective management is crucial for maximizing your earnings and maintaining positive guest experiences. First and foremost, exceptional guest communication is paramount. Respond promptly to inquiries, provide clear and detailed information, and maintain open communication throughout the guest stay. Aim to exceed guest expectations by offering personalized recommendations and addressing any concerns promptly. Maintaining a pristine property is essential for positive reviews and repeat bookings. Develop a thorough cleaning routine between guests, ensuring every corner is spotless. Consider hiring a professional cleaning service if needed to maintain consistency. Proactive property maintenance is vital to prevent issues and ensure guest comfort. Regularly inspect your property for wear and tear, address maintenance issues promptly, and invest in regular upkeep. Understanding and complying with local regulations is crucial for avoiding legal troubles. Familiarize yourself with zoning laws, occupancy limits, and tax obligations. Consider consulting with a legal or tax professional to ensure compliance. Lastly, effective financial management is key to maximizing your profits. Track your income, expenses, and occupancy rates to analyze your performance. Utilize pricing strategies that optimize your revenue based on demand and seasonality. Consider using pricing software to automate this process. Remember, building a successful Airbnb business takes time and dedication. By focusing on guest satisfaction, property maintenance, and efficient management, you can create a thriving short-term rental business. Transforming your property into an Airbnb can be a lucrative venture, but it requires careful planning, dedication, and exceptional hospitality. By understanding your target audience, optimizing your listing, and providing outstanding guest experiences, you can build a thriving short-term rental business. Remember, competition is fierce, so consistently delivering exceptional value is essential. Stay up to date with market trends, adapt to guest preferences, and leverage technology to streamline your operations. While there will be challenges along the way, the rewards of successful Airbnb hosting can be substantial, both financially and personally. Building a strong reputation as a reliable and welcoming host is crucial. Positive reviews can significantly impact your booking rate. Invest time in creating a memorable experience for your guests, and they will likely become repeat customers or refer you to others. By combining strategic thinking, excellent service, and a passion for hospitality, you can unlock the full potential of your property and achieve your financial goals through Airbnb. Ready to start your Airbnb journey? Share your experiences in the comments below.